As close to 32,000 visitors arrived at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston over the period. He attributes the influx in part to the Joe Bogdanovich organized Freedom Street concert held at the National Stadium on New Year's Eve.
Nearly 7,000 more passengers landed at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston between December 22 and December 30, 2024, vis-a-vis December 22 to December 30, 2023. It was a busy holiday season indeed across the island, and there's no doubt that the Joe Bogdanovich led and organized New Year's Eve show accounts for a fair share of those increased numbers. To be more specific, between December 22 and December 30, 2024, we had about 31,646 arrivals into Kingston at the Norman Manley International Airport, and in 2023, between December 22 and 30, we had about 24,900 plus.
The event was headlined by Vibes Cartel. Several hotels in the corporate area also expressed that they were at full capacity as fans from all over the world flew in to celebrate the exonerated dancehall star. Beyond the concert, Mr. Seavright says 18 private jets landed in Montego Bay, St. James in a single day.
Yes, people, you don't know. As I say, you just hear what one another be there. You understand? You don't know, say, I media pack. I will talk facts, I want to talk trash. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know. Here's some little thing about the social media with the 18 private jets, them, and the air traffic, and one bag of thing. You don't know the internet's there already. One man say a thing, everybody start around with it, and no evidence in there for sure. You understand? And the thing is that people don't understand, I don't know if people really fly or understand when it comes to how air trafficking and how plane system work. You understand? Because according to the media, they must have Freedom Street cause all of the problem here. Well, we see a video on the internet circulate with this one bag of plane. But when me check them plane there, I see a American airline and Spirit. Them gonna look like not really private jet. You understand?
You see me? Yeah, the plane them literally have to line up in line, people. You see me? You know when you're at the bus park, you see the bus them line up and wait them turn. Yeah. That I go on a Montego Bay airport right now, and guess why? Like about 18 private jet people flying from Friday to Saturday. Pay celebs. And this of a cartel show is
pertaining to the private jet. I think cartel them did say some celebrity will come at the show. But the only celebrity we know forward at the show are Busta Rhymes and Shatta Wally. So me wonder what really I want. So me I say wait. Me a lot of people, some people I say Rihanna, some people I say Cardi B, some people I say Drake. So me I say wait, then so much private jet come down. How many see them people at the show are gone? Me I wonder if them did I try use it to try sell the ticket them or what really are gone. I mean some people I say yo them not really pleased with what going on at the show and everything. You understand? Because there is this video. That video here and this when it comes to closing the year now, and if you look on this video. Enough people are leave or go back home. You understand? Someone understand with this flying or whatsoever. And this is the thing, we them give a figure. We never say like 30-something thousand people. So I say, but on a cartel show alone, a key. Like from New Year's Eve to January, we have big show going. You understand? And from before, you have a lot of events we keep. You have Big Bujo and Bersam show. You know that about sell off same speed. But the bag of exaggeration over this one show and whatever. Yeah, Carter is a great artist, but when you check the fact, 18 private jets, all we are working with is a hearsay. I don't really see an actual video we say that 18 private jet here I go forward. First of all, private jet, way it feels, they make it sound like the 18 private jet land same time. You understand? I'm not know how that come about. But the thing is that 18 private jet coming here, they no must, all of them have to do nothing with the show, which is Freedom Street. You understand? So, you must understand from where the social media thing is like, you just want one person to forward out and talk something, like just say something like, and then the whole media start run with it and start believe and there's no evidence to show. You understand? Cause trust me, the internet is really different from the physical world. You understand? So, this 18 private jet, you know what I mean? I said, all me hear just 18 private jet, 18 private jet. But where's the people that coming out of the 18 private jet? Because amongst some celebrity or some big people have money. But yeah, no poor man have to book private jet for coming. You understand? So, all we hear be 18 private jet and whatsoever and air traffic and whatsoever. You know, say, close to New Year's Eve, they have some weather and you know how them traffic they stay already, flight delayed. You understand? A lot of things always go on with that when it comes to holiday time, holiday season. Always a lot of that. You understand? So, you know, the one bag of exaggeration and whatsoever. It now make no sense, it now add up no evidence to show. Because the only video we can see a circle roll with couple plane line up, which them the other private jet. Because if you look on the tag, the name of the company on it, you see American Airlines, Spirit, and this one, you say, they may not look like private jet. You understand? They may look like the company where have them fly. So, I don't know what people. Just like, share, and subscribe to the speed. You understand? But what have to talk about them thing here, people? I have to really talk about them thing here, because you understand, people have 5 cents, but they only use one. You understand? They don't really think. When them listen, it's like, them just, yo, ready, jump. No, you have to really look. That's common sense, you have to really think. You can't just run with everybody, what everybody try to say, you understand? Yeah, man, people. So, this air traffic and this 18 private jet, it doesn't make no sense. But people are left, go back home, and people are forward back. You understand? So, if they must say a this amount of people are forward for the show, and we are here say, I think Sketcher say you almost 30,000 people. Then I say if 30,000 people fly down, so how much Jamaican so that means that no more Jamaican really got the show then. You see me, I'm more foreigner then. But as I say, everybody just a talk. Nobody now really show the real evidence or whatsoever. You understand? We don't know the PR stunts there already. You see me? They will prep up things and bro, they must say 18 private jet land very, but who the jet really land or what the purpose of the landing of the jet? Nobody knows. You understand? So people and everything on the scene and media have to really listen to and just run with it. You see me? Because a different part of the world that just misinformation some of the time. You don't know and then you start run with it and get to find out say and that's how it go. You understand people? But this one bag of 18 private jet and it not add up. And the 18 private jet are one of the things where people start anticipate too, because to the freedoms you promote them, they say such and such artists, international artists are forward. So, you know, people last minute, know people hear about them 18 jet, they know them and say, but they look like, oh my god, the international artists them reach. People are say Rihanna jet just land, Nicki just land. But when you look, nothing. Show keep, show gone. We wonder where them the people are, where them gone. Oh, we not see them, what happened? You understand? Yeah, people. You think people have different numbers and thing of the show and you know, start to come out and say 30,000 so. He might the promoter, so he must know. You understand? So, people, before we run with things, we just have to just think before you say certain things and look it up or Google it or whatsoever. It's what I try to run with it and then get a radar. It's what I try to say, yeah, man. So people, press up, you know, they don't know. It's just a little review me and give on the situation that going on at media. With the airport stuff and the 18 private jet, you don't know. So like, share and subscribe all the time. Yeah, man, more content coming out. Yeah, you don't know. Media fact. That is it.